Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Habor Freight email. It says save up to 69% on outdoor power tools and more. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Let's go ahead and get started with this email. I have a lot of these tools, not all of them, but I do have most of these, and I will be linking the videos up here or down on the description section of this video, my video reviews on these. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first one is the 14-inch electric chainsaw for $39.99. I haven't heard any bad things about this, tell you guys the truth. I heard it's pretty good, pretty solid. It does have a 5-star rating, so I currently don't have it, but I'm probably going to end up buying that. Or I'm going to wait to the wireless, the battery operated Bauer comes out. So I'll probably wait for, I don't know if I'm going to wait for that one or not. We got on this one, we got the 7 amp electric pole saw, 9.5 bar. It's $58.99. That's a great price. I believe I got mine for like 70 bucks, just under 70 bucks. So that is a great deal on this one, and it works pretty good. I have the review, I'll link that up. I do have this one too. This is a 3 electric blower in one. So a 3-in-1 electric blower, vacuum mulcher for $39.99. That's a, pretty much it does what it says. So it's a great blower, it's a vacuum, and it's a mulcher. I use it more for a blower than for anything else. So on this one, I do have this one too. This is a 1750 psi electric pressure washer for $79.99. This is a great tool here. If you're DIY, if you're gonna wash your truck or your car, you don't want to peel off paint or anything like that, you just want the dirt to come off, this is a perfect item. Even for a small job, like if you want to wash your patio or your walls, of your house, clean everything, this is a great tool. However, this is not gonna peel off any paint. This is not gonna clean your whatever gas powered pressure washer is gonna clean. So just to let you guys know, but it does work pretty good. That's for $79.99. Then we got the 22-inch electric edge trimmer for $29.99. I don't have this one. I believe I have the Greenworks. That's what I have now. It looks just like that one. Okay, let's see here. This one has 4.5 stars. This is a 13-inch electric string trimmer. $21.99. I gotta say, everything works pretty good. The only thing that I have a little bit of problems with is with the electric feeder, the automatic feeder. All you gotta do is just pretty much not pull it, but just press the 2 buttons that it has on the side, and just pull the string, and you can feed it more. I mean, that's the only thing I do. It's not too bad, but still, if you guys don't want to have that problem, I would just go with a different brand. But still, for 21 bucks, I mean, for 21 bucks, this will get your yard treated. And like I said, that's no biggie. If the string breaks or if it's too short, all you gotta do is just pull the engine part up, and just with one of your hands, just press the 2 buttons that it has, and with the other hand pull it, and that's it. You got another string, a fresh string right there. This is the 14th amp, amp electric chipper shredder for $99.99. I don't have this one. Let's see here. This is the 10-inch bar pole saw. I guess this is the same item. They're just giving you another picture here. Then that's $169.99. You got the 14-inch brushless chainsaw for $179.99. You got 24-inch edge trimmer, $134.99. You got the 13-inch string trimmer for $139. You got the brushless blower for $149.99. And then if you want to buy a battery, it's $60. So it's not too bad. Alright, you got a 20% off coupon here. Any links tool. Alright, for the gardens, the sprayers. This is the 1 1/4 gallon home and garden gallon sprayer. Or, I can't talk today. It's a 1 1/4 gallon home and garden sprayer for $8.99. I do have, yeah, this one's the one that I have, the 1 gallon one. I gotta say, I do pest control, so obviously I put this to work every day, and so far so good. I mean, I have already, about 6 months already with it, so the pump, everything works good. And this is the 2 gallon and home and garden sprayer for $9.99. And this is the 4 gallon backpack sprayer for $19.99. The 15 gallon spot sprayer for $79.99. Trigger spray nozzle for $3.99. I do have this, works pretty good. Sits out in the sun and I drop it every day. So it's still working. Works pretty good. 3/4 50 feet commercial duty garden hose, $15.99. 100 feet 14 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord, $32.99. Electric chainsaw sharpener, $24.99. 6 feet by 8 feet aluminum greenhouse, $1.99. 10 feet by 12 feet aluminum greenhouse with 4 vents, $4.99. You got the 2 horsepower gas powered earth auger, $179.99. You got the chipper shredder, 6.5 horsepower gas engine. This is Predator, so it's a good engine. Predator is a great engines. $3.99. You got 5-ton log splitter for $229.99. You got the 18-inch gas chainsaw from Pool & Pro, $149.99. You got the 2,500 psi 2.4 gallon per minute 4 horsepower gas powered pressure washer for $259. Now this will peel off the paint off your vehicle if you put it too close. This is the 3,100 psi 2.8 gallons per minute, 6.5 horsepower. So if that one does it, I would think this one does too. Even this one, which is even more pressure. Wow, 4,000 psi. Yeah, that's $329, and this for this bigger one, it's a 4,400 psi, so it's a heavy duty. Over 2 times the more cleaning power. Yeah, I can see that. $799.99. This is the 9 horsepower towable backhoe for 2,000, just under 2,500. And gas powered sawmill for $1,799.99. Plus save with the super coupons. You got 43 max starting, 3,500 running, 6.5 horsepower. These are great. These are great generators. $349. It does have 5 stars, as you can see. Electric paint spray gun, $14.99. 11 feet by 4 feet or 11 feet by 15 feet heavy duty reflective weather resistant tarp, $12.99. 3.5 cubic feet cement mixer, $174. 12 volts LED trailer light kit, $29.99. Get the alkaline batteries, 24 pack, $4.99. 26 inch by 22 single bank extra deep cabinets, $249. 10 inch sliding compound miter saw for $99.99. You got the 2 inch semi trash gas or semi, yeah. Is that semi trash? Gasoline engine water pump, $174.99. Multi-purpose workbench with light and outlet, $79.99. And these are great jacks. If you guys are on the market for one, need one, there you go. Rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty low profile for $79.99. They did have the color ones, I believe, for $82 on the parking lot sale. That was just last weekend. So you guys want to get those prices, then you guys have to wait for another parking lot sale. 6-inch variable speed dual action polisher for $49.99. 1/2 inch heavy duty extreme torque impact wrench Bauer $99.99. And then you got the 8-gallon 150 psi horizontal oil free air compressor $114.99. Alright, that looks like that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I got more tool reviews on Tuesdays, more shop videos on Fridays, and any other day could be a smoking deal or just a regular deal, tool deal. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.